Today we're going to see how much we can pack into the Adventure Proof Backpack. I'll have a list below of everything we packed into this backpack during this session. First thing you'll notice, two separate parts to this backpack. This top part is the baby changing area. It's removable. Full-size wipes, creams, glasses. 6 diapers here. Some other toys, socks, odds and ends. It closes up, easy access to the side. Changing pad folds up into it. Pretty awesome. You can take this on the go, super convenient for bathrooms or if you just need to throw it in your partner's luggage. By this stink pocket, there's a forget-me-not pocket where you can put in items you need to get to really fast, super easy access. The main compartments, there's 2 separate compartments, one for kids, one for parents, or whatever you want to do. In this first compartment, I'm able to put in a heavier sweatshirt, a longer sleeve onesie, 3 other separate shirts, got some scarves here, a few drool rags, sippy cup, always great. Main parent compartment, the cooler's underneath there, great organization, wallet, keys, put some sunscreen in there, some of my parent gear, books, pocket for iPad as well too. Super easy top access if you need to move things around, which happens a lot. Top sunglasses, that pocket's got a felt liner. Fully adjustable to tie down to keep gear stowed away while on the trail. Big 15 to 16 inch laptop sleeve, we've tried both of them. The water compartment is for large water bottles. And here's a look at all of the main components together. We have the changing area, the backpack, the ground cover blanket, and the cooler. Got your ice pack, some snacks, got some mommy and daddy beers, don't forget those. Food, trail snacks, it all goes in there really well. It's waterproof with a waterproof zipper. Removable changing pad goes on and off super easily and can be stowed away after the potty training phase. This is really where the backpack grows with your family. It's not a throwaway baby product. The stroller loops are adjustable on both sides. Rings on the pads for carabiners, that's a first aid kit. You need the wooba nub, hats, anything you need to get right off the fly. Ergonomic straps, fully adjustable, super extra padding in the straps in the back.